Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not quite sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, like a lot of stocks around the market today, especially in the airlines industry and such, crazy move. I mean, I think that at one point the price had plunged all the way down there and then just like that recovered all the way back up there in the same exact day. Crazy movement. So a lot of eyeballs going to be on this one headed into Monday, myself included. In fact, I traded this one today nicely, but from a disclosure standpoint, don't own anything right now. But yes, I will definitely be watching it very closely on Monday. And the first level that I'm very curious about is right here at 175.50, which is this area of support right here. You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see there's a track record of it acting as support right there. And then price got back above it, acted as support once again. Now, whether or not this level comes into play, I have no idea. But from a technical point of view, 175.50 certainly is going to be a key level of support that myself and I'm sure a lot of other people will be watching. And when a lot of other people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So again, that's what the 175.50 mark is representing. The other very intriguing level of support is down here at 173. Now, whether or not that comes into play, I have no idea. That, as of right now, that seems like it'd be a pretty tall order for that to come back into play again. But nonetheless, like I said, from the support side of things, these are going to be the two main areas to watch. From the resistance side of things, what I'm very curious about is this attribute. Oh, I guess I got to grab the annotation tool first. There we go. Is this dynamic right here, which is the fact that the price is currently doing battle with that trend line. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and you can see this trend line has really offered up a whole lot of annoyance, including right now. Now, it does seem as though the trend line's getting weakened up, but that's what I'm very curious about. Can the price actually get separation from that trend line? And then if it can, the next key level of resistance to watch would be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the 200-period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it 181.15. So overall, though, those are going to be the main levels I'm watching going into next week. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.